We've designed something cool for your drone. We've always loved flying drones and capturing amazing footage, but we believe there's more you can get out of your drone.
That's why we've created a landing pad and sensors to challenge your flying skills and to make flying super competitive.
After numerous test flights, we found out what really makes drone flying fun and boiled it down into 4 features.
1. Timed landings on a small platform. Now your landings are against the clock.
2. Set off a series of ground checkpoints. Trigger a red flash and a sound from one of our sensor balls.
3. Perform agile maneuvers. Slalom between checkpoints through a course that you've designed.
4. Fly low. Keep you on your toes and your drone in your line of sight.
We've designed a set of accessories that we believe every drone user needs.
Our totally unique smart landing pad has been designed for use in the field with its ultra lightweight, high density foam that's soft to touch, easy to carry and impact resistant. It folds in half and creates a handle, making it comfortable to hold and effortless to set up, pack away and store.
The drone pad has been designed specifically to be universal, small enough to make it challenging, but large enough to fit almost all consumer drones. We developed an intelligent timing module that records your lightning fast course time.
It simply pops up with a push of a button and will accurately detect when your drone takes off and lands thanks to 2 precise ultrasonic sensors. After 2 dedicated years of research, development, prototyping and testing, we've created Drone Run, so you can find a new way to fly your drone.
We've created a working prototype, but we're ready to take it to the production level. Now with your help, Drone Run can really take off.